Wago printer includes the Wago printer, 2 sets of rollers, your 2 sets of media, all of your power supplies and cables, and a Surface tablet. This way as well. Let's go from here again. And then this. We start by opening the SmartScript software. Sometimes it takes a little more time. Once the SmartScript software is open, you'll receive a little welcome message to tell you of any updates, give you an option to go to the help page to walk you through the changes. To start a new project, we open up the software and go to the menu button at the top left-hand side of the screen and select New Project. We select the template that we want to use, and this is the stock code of the media that we're choosing to print on. So in this case, it will be 2009-115, but if we wanted to select something different, we just clear the selection, choose Select Template, and choose the media from here. The sheet that you want to pull the data from, in this case, we only have data on one sheet, so it only lets us use one sheet. We then select Next. Now it's asking for the data range. Click the quantity box so it's green and key the number of labels that you want of each. So I only want one of each of these labels, so I'm going to type in 1. I'm going to come down to the next variable, and this is the data range. So I can either cherry pick by clicking a few individual cells, or I can group select, or I can auto select. Click Import, and your data should be ready to go. From here, you can print or you can save.